USB drives and memory cards, beginner level. Introduction. USB drives and memory cards are portable storage devices used to store and transfer data easily. They are widely used because they are small, lightweight, easy to use, plug and play. These devices allow you to save files, transfer data between devices, back up important information. This topic helps beginners understand what USB drives and memory cards are, how they work, their types and uses, differences between them. What are USB drives and memory cards? USB drive. A USB drive, pen drive, flash drive, is a portable storage device that connects to a computer via USB port. Memory card. A memory card is a small storage device used in devices like smartphones, cameras, tablets. In simple words, USB drive equals portable storage for computers. Memory card equals portable storage for small devices. Why they are important. These devices are useful because they enable easy file transfer, provide portable storage, help in backups, work across multiple devices, are compact and durable. Without them, data transfer becomes difficult. External storage options are limited. USB drive overview. Feature description. Type, portable storage device. Connection, USB port. Usage, data transfer, storage. Features, USB connector. Flash memory chip, protective casing. Example, USB drive equals capacity 64 gigabytes. Type, USB 3.0. Memory card overview. Feature description type, portable storage. Size, very small. Usage, phones, cameras. Common types. SD card, standard size. Micro SD card, very small. Mini SD, older type. Example, memory card equals type, micro SD, capacity 128 gigabytes. How USB drives work. Step 1, connect device, connected equals true. Step 2, store data, file equals photo.jpg. Step 3, retrieve data, print, opening, again, file. How memory cards work. Step 1, insert into device, inserted equals true. Step 2, save data, data equals video.mp4. Data, print, playing, data. USB drive versus memory card. Feature, USB drive memory card. Size, larger, very small. Usage, computers, phones, cameras. Connection, USB port, card slot. Portability, high, very high. Storage capacity, common capacities. 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes, 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes plus. Example, capacity equals 128 GB, speed concept. Speed affects how fast data is transferred. USB 2.0 means slower. USB 3.0, 3.1 means faster. UHS, memory cards, means high speed. Example, speed equals USB 3.0, real-life analogy. These devices are like portable notebooks. USB drive means notebook you carry. Memory card means tiny notebook inside devices. Use cases, USB drives, file transfer between computers, software installation, backup storage. Memory cards, storing photos, videos, expanding phone storage, camera usage, full menu-based simulation. Python, def save USB, file equals input, enter file to save. On USB, print, saved to USB, file. Def save memory, file equals input, enter file to save on memory card. Print, saved to memory card, file. Def, read file equals input, enter file name. Print, reading. While true, print, N1, save to USB. Print 2, save to memory card. Print 3, read file. Print 4, exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, save USB. Elif choice equals 2, save memory. Elif choice equals 3, read file. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else print invalid choice. Portable storage devices. USB versus memory card differences. data transfer and storage, capacity and speed, real-world usage. Ways to improve knowledge: compare USB versions, 2.0 versus 3.0. Learn memory card speed classes, practice file transfer, use backup strategies, explore encryption for security. Common mistakes beginners make: XX, removing device without ejecting; XX, ignoring speed differences; XX, buying low-quality devices; XX, not backing up data. Where they are used. Used in computers and laptops, smartphones, cameras, gaming consoles, embedded devices. Simple definition: USB drives and memory cards. Portable storage devices used to store and transfer data between devices. Final summary: USB drives and memory cards provide easy and portable storage solutions. They enable curb data transfer, backup storage, device expansion, mobility. Understanding them helps you manage data efficiently and securely.